If you want to set up email notifications in Tenable, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how to easily get alerts sent directly to your inbox so you never miss important updates. This simple process is key for keeping track of security vulnerabilities and ensuring your network is secure at all times. And stick around till the end, I'll show you how to get Tenable for free with an exclusive bonus. First things first, let's jump right in. To set up email notifications in Tenable, you need to log into your Tenable account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section, which you'll find in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it and look for the notification settings. Now that you're in the notification settings, you'll see the option to configure email notifications. Make sure to enable the Send Email Notifications toggle to start receiving alerts. It's a crucial first step, so don't skip it. Next, you'll want to choose which events you want to be notified about. These can include things like new vulnerabilities, asset changes, or policy violations. You'll want to check all the events relevant to your security monitoring needs. The fourth thing to do is input the email addresses where you want the notifications to go. This can be your own email, a team email, or even multiple addresses if you want your whole team to stay in the loop. Just add the addresses and make sure they're valid to ensure you don't miss any updates. Now, the next step is setting up the frequency of the notifications. Do you want instant updates, or would you prefer a daily or weekly summary? This is where you can tailor the frequency to your specific needs, so you're not bombarded with too many emails. The final step is testing the email notifications. To do this, go ahead and trigger a test notification to ensure everything is working as expected. If everything looks good, you're set up. If not, double-check your settings to make sure you didn't miss anything. Before I wrap up, I just want to remind you that you can try Tenable completely free through the first link in the description. We've secured an exclusive bonus offer, so don't miss out on this chance to get started without spending a dime. By setting up email notifications in Tenable, you're making sure that you're always aware of critical vulnerabilities and security risks. Don't forget to test your settings, and you'll be receiving alerts in no time. And remember, the link below gives you access to a free trial with extended bonuses. Check it out now.